made it back. And I swear she hate it when them girls up in my face. Can't let them get in the way. Every day, you know I tell a lie. You know I love you, you know I love you. Won't never think about it, girl, you know I trust.
Hey y'all, it's Ormanixx back at again with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up, what's good? Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I have a photo shoot at 5:30. Taking my foundation by Maybelline Fit Me in the number 360, and I'm going to apply it to my face like you see me doing here. I do not put on the back of my hand because that's really messy to me, so I prefer not to do that at all. Then I'm going in with my concealer, putting it on my smile lines because I smile a lot. So I'm going to try to cover those up the best I can, and then I'm going to spray my setting spray onto my concealer brush and then blend it in.
Lately, me and my shorty been going through some things, but she the only one I want, that's why I made it back. And I swear she hate it when them girls up in my face. Can't let them get in the way. Every day, you know I tell a lie. You know I love you, you know I love you. Won't never think about it, girl, you know I trust you. I said I love you, I said I love you. I said I love you, babe. You know I love you.
So now I'm going in with my eyeshadow palette. I don't know where this is from. I actually got it for Christmas like 2 or 3 years ago. But I'm going to take these two brownish burgundy colors and put them on my eyelid as a base color for now until I move into doing something different.
You know I love you. Won't never think about it, girl. You know I trust you. I said I love you. Hey. I said I love you. Hey. Twinkle, 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 little shooting star. Up above the world, so high, I wonder where you are. I just wanna take you out and show you to the mall. Girl, I love the way you are. You're my little shooting star. Twinkle, twinkle.
Okay, so I went in with black eyeshadow from the palette and I put it right into the crease of my eye and started to blend going upward. And now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife and just applying it where I want my skin to be glowing. Then I went in with my mascara from NYX and applied it to my top and bottom lashes, 2 coats of mascara.
Lately, me and my shorty been going through some things, but she the only one I want, that's why I made it back. And I swear she hate it when them girls up in my face. Can't let them get in the way. Every day, you know I tell a lie. You know I love you, you know I love you. Won't never think